Hello everybody and welcome to another Tech Minute video. My name is Tom from 6 Foot Networks. This one's going to be a little different because I'm actually going to show you a screenshot that I printed out. A couple weeks ago I went and bought my in-laws a plane ticket for their vacation, and they'll be traveling from Mexico to Los Angeles, and I thought, you know, I wonder if there's a quick way to do currency conversion, and I stumbled upon this. You know, one of my first go-to things that I typically do is I hit Command Spacebar on the Mac and it brings up Spotlight, and then you type away whatever you're looking for. So to my surprise, I was able to do a currency conversion. So essentially, you can see the search box here. Put $100 to MXN. MXN is I guess the abbreviation for Mexican pesos. And it actually tells you equals how many pesos, Mexican pesos. And it tells you that it uses Yahoo Finance for the conversion. And you can see the calculator app icon there. So I didn't even have to run any website or anything to do this. Kind of neat that you can do this from Spotlight. I thought I'd share it with you guys. Hope that helps. Good luck. Thank you for watching.